Welcome to online English course with EnglishDaily24X7 YouTube channel. Hi. Welcome to my class. I am your English teacher Maria. This class has been designed for all who need assistance in English while communicating in public. This class is designed for those who speak English as second language, or appearing to the test of English as foreign language, or want to practice conversation or want to develop own listening skill, or spoken skill in English. This class will help the students who are going to sit for any competitive exam, or will appear to any job interview, and want to develop their skill on English more and be well versed on the language. The objective of this class is to discuss few tips that can help non-native English speakers, which in turn ultimately benefit them in communication, employment and business. Today we will learn the use of number 1. Have with past participle. Number 2. Have to with verb. Number 3. Use to with verb. Number 4. Have decided to with verb. Number 5. Would like to with verb. Number 6. Was about to with verb. Number 7. Plan to with verb. Number 8. Am here to with verb. And we will practice one conversation. But before proceeding to our class, you are expected to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to get notification of more upcoming and exciting videos like these for your own benefit and progress. Your earnest interest will inspire us to make more videos like these. So, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel now. Basic section is created, who need help to understand the basics of English. Simple phrases and expressions have been used to help you achieving proficiency in English. And for those who want to learn speaking English fluently, rules are important because they set the guidelines to what is acceptable and what is not. There are 4 rules. Number 1. Speak the language aloud. Number 2. Think in the target language. Number 3. Speak in the language whenever possible. Number 4. Never repeat this mistake. Lesson 1. Use of have with past participle. While have is used to inform about possession, have with past participle informs about any completed action in past recently. Some examples. Number 1. I have learned spoken English. Number 2. I have learned swimming. Number 3. I have written this book. Number 4. I have learned driving. Lesson 2. Use of have to with verb. Have to is used to infer that something is taking place. Some examples. Number 1. I have to go to school. Number 2. I have to buy the book. Number 3. I have to borrow some money. Number 4. I have to carry this bag. Lesson 3. Use of used to with verb. Used to is used to inform something has been done in past constantly and it is no longer being done. Some examples. Number 1. I used to swimming. Number 2. I used to smoke. Number 3. I used to get up early morning. Number 4. I used to exercise every day. Number 5. I used to live near the market. Lesson 4. Use of have decided to with verb. Have decided to is used, with a verb to inform, about a decision of doing something. Some examples. Number 1. I have decided to learn spoken English. Number 2. I have decided to take a part-time job. Number 3. I have decided to take admission into college. Number 4. I have decided to learn driving. Number 5. I have decided to go for a walk. Lesson 5. Use of would like to with verb. Would like to with verb is used to inform about intention of doing something at present. Some examples. Number 1. I would like to learn spoken English. Number 2. I would like to read this book. Number 3. I would like to go for a walk. Number 4. I would like to learn swimming. Lesson 6. Use of was about to with verb. Was about to with a verb is used to inform about an intending action in the past which was hampered by some other event or action. Some examples. Number 1. I was about to leave before he came. Number 2. I was about to go to sleep before phone rang. Number 3. I was about to inform him before the news came. Number 4. I was about to watch the television. Lesson 7. Use of plan to with verb. Plan to with a verb is used to inform about an intending action in near future. Some examples. Number 1. I plan to take spoken English class. Number 2. I plan to shift to my hometown. Number 3. I plan to see my parents in Thanksgiving. Number 4. I plan to take admission in college. Lesson 8. Use of am here to with verb. Am here to with verb is used to inform about an intending action to a specific place. Some examples. Number 1. I am here to learn spoken English. Number 2. I am here to apply for the job. Number 3. I am here to learn something new. Number 4. I am here to buy a computer. Listen to this conversation. Excuse me. What is your name?
Robin. What is your name?
Carol.
You speak English well.
Thank you. Do you know this direction?
Sorry, I am afraid not.
Where are you from?
California.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Now read. Listen and practice again. Excuse me. What is your name?
Robin. What is your name?
Carol.
You speak English well.
Thank you. Do you know this direction?
Sorry, I am afraid not.
Where are you from?
California.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for watching.